We are making a sausage and grape burger. As peculiar as it is, any sort of iteration you see probably came from hearing it from me. Pre-mixed, salad mix, bunch of onions, natural casing, good sausages, grapes, burger buns, couple sauces, honey and butter for the onion jam. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna use a pre-packed salad mix. You should wash it even though it says pre-washed. Although to be fair, that's up to you. If you want to risk it, then knock yourself out. We really don't need that much. Yeah, that's really all you need. Basically, if you cut it nice and lengthways, not minced, is because it'll give it a bit more structure. Otherwise, it'll just become sort of a gloopy liquid. It looks like a lot of onions, but it's probably gonna just you're gonna get a quarter of it left, even less. The more you caramelize it, Put the fat noble butter in the pan, and once it's melted, put the onions in and salt it. It'll help it soften quicker. The longer you do it, the softer it'll become, and that's kind of what you want. Honey will help with the caramelization process and make it extra sweet. Oh, watch you look at that now. I'm flambeing it. To be honest, I kind of should have added all of it from the start and flambéed it properly. It kind of had that residual alcohol taste at the end of it. Once the onions are done, once they look like that, just put it aside for now. Let it cool off. De-skin your sausage. Now, to make your patty, you want to take it out of its skin. Depending on the size of the sausage, you might want between 1 to 2 sausages per patty. And the ideal size of it, half an inch wider than the bun. Get natural casing. It's just so much nicer. It's way easier to get it out as well. Get some baking paper. Makes your life wondrously easy. Well, I don't have a clue what's in these sausages. Just don't get the one that's got sweet stuff in it, like apple or whatever. Oh, we're putting sweet stuff in it. You don't want doubling up on stuff. Yeah, that looks about it.
Are you touching that with gross fingers?
No.
Oh, okay. It's clean hand.
Look at that. It's about... See, it's a bit bigger. Just do that. It'll shrink by the time you cook it, and it'll be perfectly fit.
Was it a clean hand?
It's clean enough. Now we're going to put them on the pan. Sauce time. Get Kewpie mayo. It makes regular mayo taste mid. I think what would be good is there'll be 2 sauces. One spicy mayo and one mustard mayo. I think 2-to-1 ratio of 2 mayonnaise, 1 other thing. Get Dijon mustard, I think would be better, as opposed to maybe it's the seed mustard stuff. Okay, get your Nando sauce that's about to go off, but not quite. Now with the hot sauce, just get whatever you want. I think Nando's would be better. Yeah, that's alright. Now, sauce your top and bottom ones. We're gonna go bottom up, so pay attention. So there's a mustard mayo, now we're gonna go with the spicy mayo. I have no idea if this is gonna be good or not. I don't know, people always should just experiment with this themselves, see how it is. Get a nice amount of onion jam. Obviously, adjust to your liking. Place the juicy sausage meat. Then you just put on the grapes. That's legit all it is. That's why you don't want to get the sweet sausages with like apple and stuff in it, because it's, yeah, you want this. What is, oh, the sausage is more of a savory sense, with, doesn't have any fruit or anything like that inside. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it looks alright. Beef would actually go alright, despite the fact that pork is, you know, you go sweet and salty with pork. Beef would go well. And just plain beef patty, no sausage. But you need the grape, it cuts through everything.